Then I like to recommend the three by four. So 3 minutes, 4 times a week is a great dose. Starting at the 55, 57, 55 degree Fahrenheit, full immersion, and then working your way down in temperature until you find a sweet spot that works for you or continuously going down. But most of the time for beginners, especially 55 to 57 is still plenty to give someone a cold shock and make it challenging for 3 minutes. But sometimes people get in and that's nothing, that's cake for them. So you can go colder, but you can always go colder, especially with beginners. I'm always wanting to make it empowering and start at a more milder temp and then work your way down colder. So that 3 minutes is a great time because it's going to allow you to do a couple things. You're certainly you're gonna get that cold shock from getting in. You're gonna be forced to regulate through that cold shock. And not just like get in for half a minute or a minute and then still be in that shock state. So 3 minutes is going to force you to get over that hump. It's also going to probably get you to at least one wall. And we call the
Mm,
walls like these points of kind of resistance where you're like, all right, I'm ready to get out. It's time to get out. I'm too cold, or I'm feeling like discomfort. My fingers or toes are really, really hurting. 3 minutes, usually around 2 minutes is typically where I see walls happen for people. Like that, then 3 minutes gets you to breathe and be present with your body through one of those walls. And you get out and you're gonna feel great after 3 minutes. So